Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Alright, so today we're going to prepare our Easter favorite hot crust buns. We're going to start with currants and raisins, dried fruits, cinnamon, yeast, and sugar. Right, just for even distribution, I kind of want to mix all the dry ingredients first, so everybody gets that little coating of flour, so they don't sink or be on one side of the bun. All right, we make a little sink. We add our yellow coloring, lemon essence, 1 large egg, and evaporated milk. You know, I know you guys see me mixing it with a spoon, but I'll have to get you in my hands just now. So now we're going to continue mixing, cover and allow to rest for 10 minutes. So after we had our bun dough resting for 10 minutes, we take it out onto our counter, floured counter, and then we knead it. Right, sometimes what happens with the fruit, sometimes it has its own little liquid in it, so we may need to add a little more flour on the dough, which is fine. Right, so after we finish knead, we bring together and we put in our grease bowl, cover and allow to rest for an hour. After our buns, our hot crust buns are left proofing, go ahead and start making the glaze for our buns. We're going to start with a little bit of water, adding our bay leaf, mixed essence, and vanilla essence. Right, allow the heat to come up a little bit, and then we're going to add our sugar. With this glaze, all we have to make sure is just that the sugar is melts properly. When the liquid is cooled, it will naturally thicken up on its own. You're already starting to get that nice fragrance from the bay leaf. Right, we allow it to bubble for about 2 minutes, and then we take up and allow it to cool before we use on the hot crust bun. We're going to take it out now and form it into 12 balls and put it over in our dish and let it proof for a further hour. Right, so we cover and allow to raise proof again for a further hour. So while our hot crust buns are making, we're going to make the icing to actually make the crust. So we have icing sugar, which is a simple recipe, icing sugar, whole milk. Just want to mix it in there, and you kind of want to get it smooth. I use the fork today just in case there's any lumps, but you can use a whisk if you have one, or you can use a fork like me. And this is our icing for our hot crust bun.